Why?
Didn't you see me? Stand there. I have a right to share with you.
Do you know you've hurt me?
You've not seen anything yet. Precious, I'm not here to joke with you. I've been searching for you on this campus. Let me tell you, as at now, I'm at peace. I've understand your decision. I don't have anything to do with you. We are not in a relationship. You are not my friend. You are not my anything. You are nobody to me. So let me tell you, let me give you this strong warning, Precious. From now onwards, when you see me on this campus, when you see me coming from this side, you should bypass.
You could have also done the same thing. You saw me, so you could have passed away.
You, if you're a man like me, or if you're a woman like yourself, when you see me coming, just try to meet me.
I'm the one who gave you this warning.
You are the one who gave me.
And you were supposed to stay away. So why are you acting like?
Listen. I'm in my lane now, but I'm just giving you a warning. Maybe one day you will regret, or you might be like, oh, let me talk to this guy, or let me approach this guy. Now onwards, when you see me on this campus, no eyes. Don't give me any eye. Don't greet me. Don't even step on my soul.
Don't worry, that's not hard to.
That's
I don't even want to talk to you.
And I don't want you to anything that comes about me on this campus. Don't talk about me, okay?
Don't worry. If I do, what will you do?
Precious.
Nah, it's a question. If I do, what will you do?
I swear to God, you see the bad side of me.
I'll see the bad side.
You see the bad side, I swear to God.
You can try it.
And I say, if you do it, you see the bad side, so you can try it.
Which one is the bad side? Are you going to beat me?
I'm not going to beat you, but you will get to know.
I thought you were going to beat me because me, I wanted to even leave this world. I'm tired. Beat me and let me die so that you go to
Listen, what I'll do to you is more than beating. Precious. If you try me on this campus, you are now my biggest enemy on this campus. Just take it as nothing has happened between us before.
You are threatening me.
I'm not threatening you, I'm just warning you. Precious, I'm warning you.
I will tell somebody.
What's your evidence? Who are you going to tell?
It's your words against mine.
My words against yours?
Yes. So I'm going to a particular person to report you to the person.
Yeah, I've already made a police report.
Mine is not police, mine is a deadly report.
Then Precious, just be ready. Be ready for fight on this campus.
Be ready.
I should be ready.
Be ready.
I should be ready.
Anywhere you are passing, be ready. You see, there's no one here. I wouldn't harm you.
And you cannot harm me.
Oh yes.
You cannot harm me. I would rather harm you.
I will ask someone else to do it.
You ask someone else to harm me on this campus.
Oh yes.
Is the person a student?
I don't know. You will find out.
If you see me, don't even look at me.
Don't worry.
And whenever you hear my name, you should just close your ear.
This is not hard. I've already warned you. So this is not hard.
Okay.
Just know that I will send people to come to you.
Precious, yours is rather threatening to me. You are threatening. Listen.
Also a warning.
You are threatening me. I'm rather giving you a warning that if you do anything that I don't like, I will harm you.
You can try.
But you are saying you bring people to come and harm me, right?
No, Masheda minam skumhana meya me hu low key amount. Me Masheda. What they try me one pair. Try. Ube who the other side of me, John boy.
So one in Nasab, Adena Dania Sabi. I gave it, I didn't know start it.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm a broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
There is this thing that we need to
be bold and talk and
Adams, it's not about boldness. My friend will say, I want to calm down. If I'm to see you as my senior brother, and remember what Tiasama was say, some American Adams, Mayamo, you are my senior brother. They may press and catch on his Adams.
Wait, drink. If I don't make boxing more.
Adams, what is wrong with me taking your book? What's wrong with it? Bro, what's wrong with it? Huh? Well, what I'm saying is that I cry now. Obano Adams. I don't know him. I say him will say hell.
Alright, it's.
Well, Adams, Mr. All I want to tell you is you need to pay attention to the kid, bro. Mr. Shen say Oba intimate show also the Oba now, so Mr. Adams. When you quack around, when you also here as a father, please, I want you to take responsibilities as a father. Send a better future, you understand?
Why is it that if someone decides to come down on this campus and live a peaceful life, and I'm more stressing, huh? And now upon class, I may say, what's not say read the book for any peace of mind, you know. Because I know you catch up. On a better me show me banana, some kojameba. Huh? Woo, na be catch him some kwem. Woo, me nya ketuan. Woo, na be catch him some kojameba.
Nyame manka so a bad idea. Akwa wajimi o. Nyankopon ka say me nya kwem be make peace na me ka say akwa wajimi. And the peace na be making me was me catch no. He is not going to take it. You see how stupid you are. Ma who as your junior brother me be catch or say, but when you call Oba na share no. Adams,
Obinti me shane braba.
Obinti me nya dai.
En shane braba.
Foolish guy. I had to work say, oh,
stupid boy like
so papa what are you going to do to support the kid? Adams, you are just stupid.
Ope me share akra na. Your papa sendi iska. I don't know what you media, so then I'm a share akra.
Let me tell you something, Adams. Being there as a father doesn't mean you always have to. And yes, you paying money to the kid. No one just say you are being a present dad, bro. Take responsibilities as a dad. So what I say? Akwano kwa wana se uli sika. How to talk to Akwano? How to talk to Akwano mami? This is what we call being a father, bro.
Aroma, school mami ncho as a man and as a guy. So when you walk Akwano we are say, and one the obedi the obeshe and no problem and like what the neighbor we are say no the title as a father na keke and no the aka na nyame be baby obia obenya bibia so if I don't take care of him of her like then obenyini no say no obi so be faculty simple
name come obi adopt me because I still can't believe say wo ye me senior brother. Hey Adams, where from this damnness, bro? When you said you went because I know that is very wise. Wait, Kasana or Kasana in Febusian, bro. Are you sure you are from the family?
Naruma family in Minkwana Mawuba mention. Paper for more shame. Huh? Paper for more shame.
Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Mati, Mamenko. Koi.
Kwa book no Fako book.
Adams, when fear and Kwamesa Abu. Because listen, me, I'm trying to be a junior brother and I know can answer Samson I make cancer no. But my name say me junior bro, me say me Jimmy. Fihako. Fimani suko. Ah! She Obama no so dey kasa and wudi matem. Say dey papa wo wan hwew, enti wo so wo hwew ba.
Aroma, aden waje asemu akenta woni asesa.
Koi.
Huh? Me hwe me bana na asema hwe na aden na benye frim.
Adam.
And I mean, jump up one hour. Rogu bed nas, baby assassin on so as they make a show. Huh? This boy like you not.
This guy cannot be my senior brother. Adams!
My G.
Searchings.
Wouldn't say Aroma, Union Scanty.
Yeah, we're power.
Winning.
And I see an amazing.
That's an old. It may so Cassatri Union. She wouldn't be an tracy, Minyana Cassatre. A series, dear Sino, and co. By the Acadie, your bomb. Tima J. Miss Row, Yoniana Cassatre. She wouldn't be an trans and an Cassa. Send me maybe a oil. Unyai.
You say me minion and Cassana Swadin. Minion na Swadin to the extent say, O Cabibiach and I won't ye. Na same work, I mean, the dim comobiatis, minion of crown, still na James our Roman. It's me by me nimbe dim commo different bitch remy, and I mean, tell one say. So, Anna Adams no, me as some when Adams Nama way in about. Adams Nama way in now by Adams Akasim way, because say, Minion the best school and I'm catching Adams. Oh, so ba, and my school more. Enti dia no pa ja obia. Wo de se wunja obia kra ne ntina mame. Keke. Adam senti. Ana nyoma we nyina ba be piepiem no. Eti Adam so ka obi. Ana Aroma no so hyehyase nyoma ekoso nyina Aroma no hyehyase. Sa boy we yo. Nyoma bi nti ana high school nti nyoma bi wa na my study me pese me kasa.
Say ba you, say ye dey. De dae kosia ne pitiri. What you say ma me ka kire wo no. Asiewie twaso. De mo didi wo muni nko ba de aka de ye bon ho ban. Eno ene sirimni wo se wo anazakatim bi na onzogopam. De adi na mo adi wo muni nko ba de aka no. Ye hwese ye be dey ye bobo ho ban.
Obo ya so ma fa me no life bi o school mu na so person o mo tire street life. Mo so mu street mu bibia. Ye ne yananti ye wo street ayananti wo street minti ye nim de aba wo. Amo fo matena na o ma hyehyɛ ne ye kutai wo. Omo nim ana.
Aroma no. So ne da.
Wa Adams.
Aroma no. So ne da.
Me ne.
Oye ro fa super glue na fam landa na hanem manda na happy what Scanty.
O so me for day.
Super glue. Me egu na ni half no bia no amanda wa half wo be try as wo ten half bu no ayisi.
We school chire ade o. We school chire ade.
Na me ka to so ojimi.
Me mafia no.
Etika ya kasa cho na so won twon ho a super glue ne de be wani. Simple. Simple kwa. The office be. So ada fa wo na. Emoja ne be nwina gunu mu sa wo nwu ha wa ko wo fie. Wo de hwese car se oil base ba. Oil number sudden kitin when engine no. Na break it.
Frustrated.
Na frustrated and association and enemies.
Because
ye can some chrow. Na teacher ni bi wa mo ma meto no.
Yeah.
And then the woman I say rekete. Say rekete. So ma bete say rekete. Ah say rekete. And the medicine say rekete no.
Aro inde.
Wada. And di shoe pan. One ni asese mi wie na me di super group. Si na no kwan ye. Anjina say rekete ni nte.
O fro bi ani.
Bra. Ya poni ayi di e ka che wo se nka wo. He, mami twaso. One na ye de mabo na wontie no. Woni ane Scanty. Se ye tofu na se wo si wontie a, we shall see.
Me boni ni de me mpesi me di nsisi ade but me ma afie omo.
Me je se me ka se kodi boni o.
Onye na wo si me nko fro bi ani.
No bi se ko fro bi ani a che se wo se kodi boni.
Ba me nke ebusa so anka me kire mu.
We kire mu a me timi afela ya ibi ja me. Acquitted and gestar.
Ampa. Ibeja
o na court wa. La bi yegu so ma. Say rekete. What do you
do betimi aye o de. Na ze o timi fra oni pe ni.
Say rekete ne ma rekete. Me ma o mu dwane.
Mu nyina wo ko mo.
Say rekete na wo say rekete.
Say rekete na zo de kete family.
Kete family.
No busu apenyi na.
No mu nua o ma busu apenyi. Ayi kete.
Ene kete so de.
Ano wo mu nua bi onye fan seke.
Seke. Oyo seke ni monyo.
Yeah, me penkwa na me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya.
Uncle, please, I called you for a very brief meeting. How are you doing?
I'm good.
All right, that's fine. Uncle, you know Adams has a child with Britta, right?
Yeah.
And as a member of the family, you know I'm now part of the family. So I would want to advise you to talk to Adams to take care of his child. Adams is refusing to be a responsible father. And I don't think I can sit and watch that happen. Uncle, so please have a talk with him. I just want you to advise him.
If I Jimmy call, where Jimmy do? Where Jimmy pa what? Wo papa na wo no hell. Ana Scanty papa no. What na we be for say yan twa no.
Uncle,
I'm asking you questions. Why don't you answer my question?
Uncle, I think you are getting me wrong.
I'm asking you questions first. Answer my question.
The thing is that, Uncle, when I wasn't part of the family, I never talked about Adam's responsibility as a father. Now that I'm part of the family, I think it is necessary for me to talk about it. Uncle, what do you think?
She, what? Ya push your name, I will be cheerful. Akurano, one a channel. Me, Akurano, me, I'm a Akurano. Jesus. Me, I'm a Scanty Bano. You shouldn't school. It shouldn't be Bia. What Papa no was Scanty? Why that? No, we didn't about you, Sano. I don't know yet to for sir.
Uncle, the thing is
there.
I don't support the fact that my dad didn't take care of Adams. But the thing is, Adams should also learn. Me papa here no say who the way is it. Say papa who na on hwe say who the way na feeling is it. Nti ni so ye ne ba ne sa. On hwe akra no. That's what I'm saying.
It is a one shakra na who say wo. Me see akra me na me shine. What how say? What's your problem?
My problem is Adams is refusing to be a responsible father, and I can't sit and watch that happen because you guys said he is my senior brother.
Let me tell you something. We have to keep your mouth and shut up in your mouth. Stupid how you are. Who never can say young Shakrano? I told you Shakrano name no problem me say. No problem pan say. Now papa no kwano wo. What for the chop on your brother? Who papa the chop on your brother? Me na me Shakrano and take care of this Akrano. What it? I don't know what you say.
Okay. You see, you said you are the one taking care of the child.
Yes.
Good. That is good.
Yes.
But Adam should also know that he is the father of the child. I also must take responsibility as a father.
You say, how say?
Me how they say, me bema and Jimmy too much. Me also me opinion. What Jimmy do? Because I can't even see Anna so cast any papa. No, what will you say?
Oh, one Kenyan say, "What get up, give me away." One Kenyan say. Well,
yeah, me pen what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in
Seer, open. Do you love me?
Why are you asking me that question?
I have my own reasons. Like, do you love me? Just be honest.
I want to know. I think I'll be some sir. Then we
say my who name be na me so me dream name be sisi me so.
No, so.
I say me who is open me I say me so mo die rough me who me dream ho sant you know and him say who feel the same thing. You love me.
What's a mini jumper?
Very sure.
See, me praying, Nana me stress so life from I say. Many BBNC, I'm not pursuing attention through home.
See, that's when you know that.
Long time.
Yeah, sure. Since when?
Like a long time.
That's something. Be annoyed, Madam for.
I heard the sound from. What do you say?
Something no so catch me that nanka. When my friend walk around, I still not give it my name which.
It's not so precious. She so precious na many.
Say me that time no na odoni nyamba. Eche ya me buy ba o den time na buy na osan ka catch me nanka me no e name which anka madam for no kranku.
You should catch.
By this year, I say, you beat me. And I say, you can't any would be. After all, who say, you're all crying, you can say, let the baby cry to turn. You can say the BBS here. By me side, I am fantastic precious.
I don't know fantastic precious.
Maybe, but many will be more precious, many know, but
how general side.
Mention and drain, but. Me feel like I say I'm fantastic.
I don't pay me.
I see, I'm a pro.
It's the way.
Me pro, but the other nation. And we more money now. Because me, I'm a pro. What is
my pay watch it.
School, I'm a man, seminar, and girls, and I come by and I'm saying I'm a pro.
No one.
Something to me can't na much than my copy way. I'm in a precious, I'm in a girl way, I'm in a way, I'm no money now. I'm in pro. I won't in and I'm in an answer.
So you're in
my family.
Yeah, me pen what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with me, yeah.
Breakup.
Yeah, Aroma.
I want to tell you something.
Okay.
The thing is, I don't actually like the fact that you are going through a lot. Yeah. I don't like what is going on. I don't like the fact that you are depressed and how people has been talking about you. I don't like that. All I want to tell you is you just need to stand firm, and prepare for anything that will come your way. I mean, say no person we be see, and I mean say no person we be too. You understand? But it's rather is unfortunately say and to me and do it. I just want you to know, say just move on. I'm sure say there are better guys out there who be she will be treat you perfect than what I did to you. You understand? And there are other good men out there, nice looking guys. You understand? So just move on, because I've moved on. And I'm always there for you. The fact that anyone interested say BB to Adrian, I want to me country. Just open up and
Hey. Edian. And I'm no date now, me with daddy into you say, hey, won't share mic na. And I already say me and mic. When me baba be jai. Share what a free Marie no.
Dream.
Hey.
Dream.
Kabi before. Edian.
You come with effect. Brita!
Huh?
Is that you?
No. So I've moved on. Why? And your mommy won't if crop. So I've moved on. Kabi before from a woman who enjoy you. Share.
No. Brita.
Yes.
Now what do you know? You have this tone? I've always known Brita to be hi daddy.
So hi daddy no pedia and I catch him so sign my back. And they member for mama.
Yeah, sounds switchy.
So cancel.
No. Brita me patrol no please.
From Edian. Me no enjoy ne ene china so what? You enjoy ne ene china. And I see me, net see any year, and your wife also say, sir, girls no go school, no say Akofebio. And you can buy a wall. So what say? Are you mad? I'm mad.
Better me, why you miss me? You be able to
enjoy it. Who won't so why wouldn't mammy be cancer? Who won't when near to me? What's one year about baby jai? Say,
me be more. I don't like you.
Open me. Ye date you. Open me. What a free Mary about catch me, Miss Owen, me jai. Share. Hey,
Jesus, what is all this?
What is all this?
Hey. So if I say Sikakwa na ope, I will pay you.
Sika.
I'll just pay you off and go your way and just go, Mr. I can't be with you. Brita, please.
Sika, tense this no. I can make be man baby.
Brita, please. Hey, let's settle this, me patrol. Listen, I say I don't intense. Brita, please. Hey, me patrol, I'll give you money. Stay away from me. I can't date you. We can't. Adams is my brother. You have a child with Adams. So we can't. Brita, please. Hint to me. Miss Odis and Kindness Adams see me a complaint, bitch me baby. Now, right now, shh.
Come to me. No win jai ne and it's na manenko ha. So what's it? Oh, God damn. Kono kobu sama siwo mi krum so oni mi mejai.
No! Brita!
You watch Sebi. What me kwa catch my say? Maybe na me be didi what me watch Sebi. Wa ne mema mienu ka da o school hanum cha wo so ye. Wa ne mema mienu e ka da wo so ye. Watch Sebi. E sure yes yenye.
Asantwa.
Abeg.
Aside all I did, I didn't get pregnant.
You should thank God for that. Kawani we be grass no. Ni grass ain't card be my Card be my Aroma and ad be my
I wouldn't have been as confused as you are right now.
Me confused.
I think you are confused.
You see me confused.
You just don't want to admit it.
I'm not confused.
I don't want any problems with you. Right now, I have anger issues. If you fool with me, I will slap you.
You do what?
I will hurt you.
You hurt me.
Come closer.
Precious.
You dare not. You dare not. Try it and see.
Asantua.
Try me.
Asantua,
Precious, try me. Try me.
Somebody is smiling.
Try me. Oh, you said you slapped me. Precious.
Asantua, I don't want to hurt you.
You don't want to hurt me.
I can do something for
Precious,
you to just leave
hurt
the
me.
school.
Precious, touch me.
I don't like that. What's that?
Why are you shaking like that, Precious?
I have a...
Wait. I said, why are you shaking like that? I saw you walk, you shaking. How?
I had an argument with Asantua.
What agreement?
Argument.
What argument?
You see, Asantua came to... I don't know, we were fighting. And then she was getting on my nerves. So I hit her, just a little punch. And then she started acting some way. I don't know whether she wants to give birth. She started acting like she wants to give birth or her stomach is hurting. And I ran away.
And she say, why they?
I don't know, I just left her there.
And I'm saying, and she say, no, why they?
I don't know.
Win him. Yeah, make can't be a vampire. So we need na bibi ko tunu ana okowu oba wonyem ukobona e dai.
I didn't hit her hard.
All make you hit her. You said that. You said you hit her. Hey, play. Vampire pa so we need na some tuna. Hey, wo. I say we make catch say wonye. I make say wonya, wo se me boa. I say wonye. Hey, ni pedindin. Enso you be foul. Enso she am fendi pata Precious. Also the bia me can some way. Hey, go to them. Go to your knees and pray for the God. And yes, sir, na bibi tuna. You see.
I didn't hit her hand. I didn't hit her hand. I don't know. Maybe she has not eaten.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so jam me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will.
SMS. What? Asantua. Yeah, Asantua hi. Get Confronting. Oh, Precious. Wow, Boneku. If this is what you're about to say, I will go. I want to go because how can you lie that Precious have beaten Asantua? How can I lie? Also, you guys think that girl is an angel, right? Who deceived Jesus Christ? Hey, wait, who how should I say this? See, Precious cannot do that. Stop lying. If you don't have any better thing to say, I'll go. I will leave you. You know Lucifer? You know Lucifer? That girl is a devil's incarnate. I can't tell you. Why you hate her? It's like you hate her that much. I don't. Do you have a problem with her? Okay, you relax. Let Asantua come. You see what will happen. Let's her get better. Like that girl, she's crazy. How can you hit a pregnant woman? Stop bragging. I don't trust you. You don't trust me. I'll find out myself. You find out. I'm telling you, I'll find out. We'll find it out. But now Precious is learning, so I'll go and ask her. You are lying. She's not learning. She's somewhere maybe crying over what she did. Hey, it was like bam, and the girl was on the ground. Why are you exaggerating? How am I exaggerating what? I'm telling you the truth. I saw it with my two korokoro eyes. She hit the girl. Stop wasting my time. Mommy. I tell you to go. She hit the girl. Believe me. But yeah, you don't worry. You can go. Maybe Asantua will come.
Asantua school daughter.
Fool us.
School daughter. Haters.
I bet. Shit.
No, kurang kwan. Don't try.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we me ya. Me pesa me come any months so drum me ya.
Precious, do you want me to go? What's wrong? You are pranking me, right? I don't have time for this. Let me go.
Mom, done something bad. I had an argument with Asantua.
Who?
Asantua.
Asantua.
We were just going back. We were going back and forth. Then she was annoying.
Yes, where you go, Precious? I don't have time. And then what? She said she will beat you.
Yes.
I got you. Don't worry.
And then I pushed her, and she fell, and she started shouting. And I tried taking care of her, but
Wait. You pushed her, and she fell. As in one landing here, and as I say.
I don't know what happened to her. When she started shouting, I just ran away.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth! Precious! Is she dead or alive?
Mama, don't say that. I don't know. I just left her there. I don't know whether someone even helped her or not.
Did she give birth?
I even met Samaye when I was coming. And then he asked me, then I told him everything. And he said that he will let the police catch me.
Samaye said he what? Made the police catch you? Oh, don't worry.
He said if Asantua is not able to give birth, and I'm scared, Aroma.
Oh my God!
Should I go back and check whether she's there?
Precious, no, don't do that. That's a bad idea. At the old punching and out piano, did you push or you punched?
Her like this. I didn't punch her, and she hit with her back. It wasn't from her front, so I'm not sure anything will happen.
Oh!
It was just her back. She was shouting.
Hey, you know what? Don't worry, okay? We will see what we can do. But don't you think we have to go and inform the authorities? What did Imaye said?
He said that if the baby doesn't survive, I'll be responsible. That is all he said.
Don't worry, the baby will survive. Yes, the baby will survive.
And I don't know whether Asantua is dead or...
She won't die. You said she fell at her back, right?
Yes. But who will help her?
That's the question. Since I think she's a hard girl, she can help herself.
Oh my, the one I came to because I don't know who to go to, and right now the police can catch me.
India, if things doesn't go well, I think the police will hold you responsible. But let's just hope for the best. I'm sure she's fine. Don't worry. Don't stress yourself.
Oh my, sorry. Now what should we do?
Let's relax and pray. That's all. Because I don't think I can go there.
I just hit somebody. I should just stay there and relax.
What do you want to do? Precious, if you want to relax, what will you do? No, wait, hey. What do you want me to do? Mebo. Listen, why did you come to inform me? You want me to do something? Go and tell people that I'm the one that did it. So relax. Everything will be fine, okay? Everything will be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. She's a hard girl. She managed to survive.
Yes, I should just stay here.
Unipa no meme kasa wo emiteo meme kasa wo emiteo
no din wo school mu a na wo kasa kracha no students adibo afọ buma on nso fo bu
etinka ba yede
sa menye since na me
wa danfo no hifa penyi no kasa sorry so no mu ade penyi no kasa na wo
na se bi unim kasa sa
from here o say say Jane, ompra fun bi no hifa ompra fun na unus no hifa
me mpna fun
sa ompra kokko no hifa no Precious no fine.
Schoolness, me mpena bi no your phone. Bodin kasa se me bodin na kasa. Dey mpena.
Na da wo misro. Precious ni misro no. Wo hifa, wo no akwa boss anto na hwe o mamu je etu no a me na me bre. Me boa. Wo ko boss anto wunim so onyem. Wo ko sum na hwe on mama me bre.
Schoolness. Precious akosuma santo ahwe.
Tuti school wunim se Precious ko boss anto ma azisa santo akoda hospital.
Schoolness wo dey fache me se me na kasa. Schoolness me ni mu hwe. Asanto ani sen wo ko pia na hwe na mo.
Wo ko pia na hwe mamu je etu no.
Jesus. And I'm not going
to hospital. Precious no hin.
Precious need me who no many channels so campus in there.
Hey, when you Precious no.
Me need me who Precious.
No plan no.
Schoolness. Me for bonus so me who Precious and can make catch me yakọ kra akọchem. Girl no na nse ko woni me bi oye ya adwemboni abanitrim. We wicked. Adwemboni abanitrim Schoolness. So it's me pure painful ahwe. Hey, na don't drink my men on cry, no se ni efunu ne. Hey, Schoolness wo bank was samenka police for be 8 no mu di ochi. Na buffalo for dey yika kese do ochi mu be Precious.
Hey, Precious see.
Me amika so e weak because na nsen komo ana gewe ni me didi wo school mu say wa hone no e di be sie ni no. Obe hey, adwem bone ni nsem bi. Yes, akwa kopia ge ya show.
Sir,
no ka so benz waye.
What we di kan plan dada.
On said am plan de oni me di nkomo bi na asanto anu kra no. Obo nko de be fa so be wo ama ya hwe. Na me say obo wo ama ya hwe ne kasa ben. Ono nim de be ye no. Okay, kan sem bi. Schoolness, you go na adwumboni abanitiri.
Sa adwumboni abantim a, me so me chense me so adwumboni abanitiri. Se adwumboni abantim me chense me adwumboni so abanitiri. Na on trans no mi sa ansem hu ni sa. E no so say chense.
Girl no mama enti no. Ene esiso enra enwumre che enwumre free press buy no. Me meti the base or canteen echi wa o. Ana oba no be bisa me say nti DDT or drug store so to DDT no need doctor's report I beton am.
How are you be kun?
Na nti DDT there.
Ene say one or be kun.
That be was also from kun nipa me so there dem say so close you aba na chalk boss. Na so close you about chalk boss ma DDT ne dey.
Yes spray.
So okay can say bi na school mu dem.
Akrai. E hu ni nsem yi. Ana
Schoolness na so ni no boni bi ana.
E bi akru me. E dey na me ni wo.
Na Schoolness no kra me ye ni ejinedi. Obe pass mama.
Me obe pass am ye me.
I mean that Schoolness you better pass on because no Schoolness on pen no asem. Obet me ba also be bisa wasem. No
ja. Me akwa me ye me.
Na okekam.
Enya me a.
Schoolness so be me enche.
Me enche be.
O ye Vicky.
Me obe me ye me medi. He. Me school obe me ye medi. Na enya me a.
He. Schoolness me enche no. So obet me asa adwuma no. Precious pa. What's my call pure be on him? Now, so, what don't dream, man, no cry, no so safe. Give me so wicked do. Maybe action, me ma was, and again, no problem.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months at your Maya.
I did change any months a month.
Master, the I no. Good master, the I no. You say I plan one ye.
Hey!
One ye.
Hey! That's already a brego kwa.
Precious why sempa. Adia Precious yi. Headmaster, enyo. Adentina sakwana wudia wo la mo yempa police punch Precious.
To say watch na mana kwesi say.
Me would different
meba. Enti would you say Precious or better that so be sa.
What na say ya dey twadi abo ba ni.
Ma twadi bia mo no.
Ba yen chipu
ha woni kasa.
System mi yen chi no.
Oh, for some free na so pa some do.
Ha woni kasa too much.
Akrai ni nyinse wodi 10 months. Afa ne akrai kura no woni yam. Ye akrai say tun na tun kama. ana akure kese kama wawu oniyam uzo be gya be ka say precious na boy
one upon one
obi ni say police
also no di agro na dey na pray ni say na we tuma
yenchino ko police station no akoyi na no ho
ani ye be ti say woni brabre busano mai woni brabre woni kwa no o na aba no e fa ho bai
some na sisi school mu ano e tuma
meba wo kama na kwesi say ye fa precious nko police station matiase enko exercise chairman ya
some na ebobo ban e too much
ena me say dey wo tirim kama enti
e wo mi tirim say adenti wo benyam na wo kompo no emra kura nkyere say obi nyima ne na nye agreement
say change adwemboni wo tirim
e di adwemboni
wo tirim akola no mpana asem precious what
asantua no so you obi ba wo
asantua you obi ba granted ya te ase wo obi ba obi anka so onye obi aba eno mu nyina so mo hye yensa enti wa aba eni won say ye treaty precious na say bi wo nye nipa
me de maka asem we
ade mfumfo ni ho
mate
enti wo na to wa ntiki ye nche wana
na makodi nkwasi asem enti mo fa be amra na
zanko enti nkwasi asem wodi bebre ni nyina ni ache wanka yi ni
kwasi asem be na me
kwasi asem be school mo wodi bebre ni ache wanka yi ni
What
say
would you be happy?
Maka open for no one on dia open for no one on dia
also giants and some
why maka say yenche akura no na mo yenche na meko
ye titi aka na edi ba che o
ma menka wasem ba ko nya wo ye wanimu menyi wuni
sasai
me mpese mako office na police ni bi be frame me say waba lodge complaint
make me yegu ni
da bi me tufo
me se mate
me mpese mate sa asam no because so adwempani wutrim
ana we gina akura na wu ana je na ni tuntum ana say shine ana say adai
akura wa no woniyem akura say tuntuntu ni tuntuntu na 10 gram bio tuntuntu na ni dabadabatu kama
na sa akura no wu
ana akura yewu
ana no
wo so say
da bi so wu
na akura na asanto an bi sa akura ko ze nu esu owu ko be ni de
me say hey akura no wu hey
me
ade
me na asem ne ba ni ka
dabe ma ewu ni oni ni dili me say come to me say come to
friend I be there friend broki
come
we are broki
my
all the oil
maybe they me we jimi ya so we jimi ya wo ba kon we jimi ya wo ba kon hwe e dancer wo ba kon hwe bra che aye medjumam me say aye medjumam
ya to fiança de ona nkwanche
wo de aye medjumam na de bre na me tu abonti aye medjumam bre na me tu abonti na be wu se wi atimi Wunti de bia de panie bo ne be sha me be ku wunti de bia de panie bo ne be sha wunti pa bonnefu